Students, now we have completed the 12th week of this MOOC course on solid and hazardous waste management. In 12th week, we studied a total of 3 modules. First module of this week was on Basel Convention. Second module of this week was on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and third module of this week was on technological options available for waste management in rural areas. In the first module of this week, we studied about Basel Convention and the control of transboundary movement of hazardous waste. In this module, we studied that what is Basel Convention, why it was needed. We studied about the aims and objectives of the Basel Convention, and we also studied that what kind of waste will be called as hazardous waste. We also studied different technological options available for the disposal of hazardous waste. Then we also discussed the importance of the Basel Convention. In second module, that was related with the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, we learnt about the objectives and aims of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Then we learnt that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is going on in 2 different modes under 2 different ministries. We learnt that what targets were set to make rural India open defecation free. We also learnt that how much targets we have achieved. We also learnt about different options, those have been used for the solid and liquid waste management in the rural areas. Then we learnt the aims and objectives of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan urban. We learnt that how many toilets, individual household latrines have been made in urban areas, how many public toilets and how many community toilets have been constructed. We also learnt about other programs, those have been started to make India clean and open defecation free. In the last module of this week, we learnt about various technological options which are available for solid and liquid waste management in rural areas. First, we learnt about the characteristics and the classification and the types of the waste generated on the rural areas. Then we learnt about different methods those can be used. Basically, methods can be divided in 2 categories. The one method in which there can be resource recovery from the waste, and other methods from which there is no resource recovery from the waste. So, we studied different type of methods or options available for solid as well as liquid waste treatment and disposal. Then we learnt merits and demerits of different technologies which are available to us at the moment for waste management in rural areas. I hope you enjoyed all the 3 modules of this week. Thank you.